Heyo everyone, I'm Jay from Boulder Creek Railroad, and today I will finally be showing off this N-scale Southern Pacific P-10 locomotive. This is a project that I have been working on for 2 months. It started when I decided that I wanted to make a new layout themed to the SP's coastline. I realized that I only had one Southern Pacific steam locomotive, and I needed another locomotive, but no accurate Southern Pacific prototypes were available. So I decided to make this Pacific class engine. The model is a resin 3D printed shell and tender placed over a Broadway Limited Imports heavy Pacific chassis. The locomotive was quite a challenge, but the work paid off producing this beautiful model. Going over some of the details on the model, it has accurate steam and water pump detail on the side of the engine. Steam domes have been modeled to match the P-10 style of domes, and number boards were added to the front of the locomotive. The engine also has scale steam lines and freestanding grab irons. The front of the engine has a working sunbeam style headlight and an accurate smoke box door. An accurate Vanderbilt tender has also been designed, fitting the stocked BLI decoder and space for a smaller sugar cube speaker. Here are some shots of the unit running around the old layout. If you are interested in getting your hands on a P-10, files to print your own locomotive are available on my Colts 3D page. Link in the description. Included in the files, you will also get a PDF instruction booklet showing you how to assemble your locomotive. I hope you enjoyed the video, and happy railroading.